It's about 4 in the morning, and we are waiting for Mr. Rocky to get here. We're going to Ricky's, and we're going to the airport. And it's early. I want coffee. Yeah.
This is a video or a picture? I want to know if I have to talk or not.
It's a video.
I'm sweating like a motherfucker. I have a 2-egg bacon on Asiago bagel thing. Ricky's looking at me funny for some reason. This is my normal inside voice. Imagine if my mask was off. It'd be a lot louder.
Let's go, Rockman. Well, it's been, hi Ricky.
3 weeks since you looked at me.
It's been a bit of a lot of traveling. Ricky had his first subway ride ever, and that was kind of, was that amazing for you?
For the guy next to me that smelled like piss.
He kind of looked like piss.
Well, he got up one time and it was like literally like my nose hair singed off.
He gave me New Orleans vibes.
It was worse.
Yeah.
Way worse.
New York, there you go. You've heard it here first. New York homeless is different than New Orleans homeless. Now we're just waiting for the Long Island Railroad, and then we're catching that towards Huntington, but we're not going to Huntington. We're going to East Setauket. And I also had to buy a new guitar, so cool. Well, we have successfully missed our first Long Island Railroad, so now we are waiting for a second Long Island Railroad because an Uber to our hotel would be about $200. What'd you get?
I got a burger.
A burger?
A microwaved burger.
Yeah.
It's so warm that it's worth it.
Fair enough. There's a pigeon. Indoors. New York's weird.
Like the random rainbow color that makes a green to a purple.
That one's got 1 foot right there.
Oh, you mean Skipper?
You don't have it on the other side?
Oh, I don't know. I think I still only have like the 2 cameras. Or no, I have 1 camera. Old phone. Cheap.
Cheap as shit.
Yeah. Still paying that on.
Cheap suit. How cheap? Cheap as hell?
Got a deal on it.
Cheap suit. Cheap suit. What cheap? Cheap as hell? Butterscotch, butterscotch, butterscotch. I can see you in alligator skin.
Well, we have solved the puzzle, and we are in the hotel for night 1 of New York. We've got Rocky, who is going to be showering, and Ricky playing on the guitar that I am definitely giving back. The weather's on, and all of that is where I'm going. So cold.
I mean, it's not really us. Like, this is all like all the snow is going into Connecticut.
That's where I'm going.
That's not Florida.
Oh, I don't care about you. I'm talking about us here.
Yeah, I'm going to Connecticut, and then
Well, you're fucked.
and then Maine, and then Boston and Providence. All of these blue areas, that will be me. So
You're fucked.
yeah. All right, first venue, kind of where we left off on the last tour. We are at the Country Corner in East Setauket, Long Island. We're getting some food. This is where we'll be playing, and in this general area, there's Rocky. He's gonna be happy that he's eating, as we all will. All right, Dunkin' Donuts stopped because it's cold and this is hot. Funnily enough, my most popular Instagram reel is filmed right here, and it's Aquila with something. I think it's a hat.
And in this mini
It's a hat.
documentary, insert it now.
Day 2. We have awoken here in Long Island, and we're getting ready to head over to Brooklyn. And Rocky's gonna work on not getting robbed. And then we have like the whole day to do a bunch of shit. I don't know how much shit will be done, but some amount of shit will be happening. All right, day 2 on the train. We are going that way this time. To Babylon, and then off to Brooklyn.
Okay, all right. What's with the pushing, buddy?
I'm trying to push you.
I know, but I get worried with you moving around a lot.
Fine, I won't express myself anymore.
Big guy moving.
Just express yourself next to a train track, please.
What train track? Show me the train track.
I'm talking to myself again. Seems like he's my only real friend. Tells me how to see. Well, that's what I like to believe. And I'm heading to the show tonight. I could really use a fist fight. That's what I like to believe.
Iron Mountain Man.
Feel anything for free. It's hopeless. I'm hopeless. I'm talking to myself again. It's worthless. I'm worthless. I'm wandering the streets alone.
Okay, so we are in the second hotel. I think I did pretty well with this one. This is our room.
This is my room.
Yeah, Rocky lives in there.
Perfect.
So Rockman is leading us to his favorite New York slice.
Pizza.
Rocky, what's your opinion of the subway so far?
There once upon a time there was like a better deal. Like it used to be like $5 for a foot long, and now it's like $7. You know what I mean? It's like it's the same ingredients, and I think it's even smaller than a foot. So that already get ripped off from there. So I actually stopped up to that Jared guy, and the kid's like, that chain's whack, man. So Subway, go fix yourself.
Jesus.
Of myself. I hope he doesn't come back.
Yo! What puppy? Are you leaving the band rock? Alright, so we're at Pete's Candy Store. and it's really small, but it's really cool, and we'll see. It's a problem, Rock. We are back on the subway. We played at Pete's Candy Store. It's a really cool venue. Staff was nice. And now we are back to the hotel where we will sleep, and then we will record, and then they will go home and leave me to fend for myself. So.
What's up, motherfucker? You guys want a tutorial how to tie your shoes? Come on. First, you grab the motherfuckers. You grab it good, you know what I mean? You do a little crissy-cross. Feel like it's gonna embrace, but it's more of an entanglement. You choke that motherfucker out. You know what I mean? Like, no oxygen flow. You hold them back because they're struggling, you know what I mean? They're trying to fight you. And you use the other person around you. And then really seal it up. Now the body's disposed. Wait, it's torn? Because no one ever identifies me as a proper comedian. There is something on the floor.
Isn't that
You have really great eyesight. Probably why you wear those glasses all the time.
It's morning time, and we're going to the Least of All studio so we can do the recording. And yeah.
There's a little cup. There's a little tiny cup. My big ass hand. Cheers. That black cable?
Which one?
The extra black.
Oh, the one in the case, yeah. It's snowing.
It's snowing. He's really excited about it.
Well, post-show, Heart Bar went fucking off. Cellar Stairs was sick. Gum was sick. Rebel Nerds played. They were cool. It was a good night. Fucking Wednesday night, packed that place. Had people trying to sing like "Fuck Florida," and the only words they knew were "Fuck Florida," which was pretty funny. Rocky got a new beanie because he lost his other one.
I like this one better.
Yeah, I mean,
I feel like it'll be harder to lose this one.
yeah, well, it'll be hard to lose you too. I mean, other than the like 9 foot. So now we walk back to the hotel, and then these lads abandon me, and it'll be Dominic alone, lost in New York.
Your bad language will be dead.
Not doing